In this video, I'm going to show you how to get adhesive in Once Human. So, this is actually pretty simple. Once you're beginning the game, at the start, you are located in this zone over here. Okay, so this is around Dadsville over here. And you have certain areas where you can loot for different items that will give you adhesive. So, if you allow me to show you, over here, there's that big yellow building, okay? And if I spawn my motorcycle right here, as you can see, I'm going to show you real quick. Over here, if I drive to there, there's a bunch of buildings you can loot, okay? And you will see right away. So if I ride over here, here's actually the first one already, right next to me. If you farm around here and try to avoid everything that's trying to damage you over here, you will see that at certain parts, some things can be found that can drop adhesive. So for example, over here, as you can see, fabric. I just picked it up, and you can pick up certain parts all around the place, okay? There's a bunch of things, and I'm going to show you what those things are. Let me get back to my base. So, pretty much, you just roam around and find these things. Okay, let me teleport there to my base. There we go, in a second. And then what you want to do once you gather these parts around, you will see that you can come over here to this disassembly bench. You can simply create within the building mode, and then by disassembling certain items, as you can see, I'm going to click select all, you can get adhesive. Okay, now if we take a look, I'm going to show you where you can get it. So for example, the easiest way is to get an alarm clock, or for example, this football gets it, or a jack, and then you have broken flashlights, and pretty much everything. You can see it's just adding up when I'm clicking on them. So pretty much everything in here will give you adhesive, okay? And you can use it for crafting certain items inside the game to help you progress. So that's pretty much the easiest way of how to get adhesive, and if this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to this channel and help me out as well.